The articulation point, it is one of the tongue letters. Lisan is the makhraj for it, and it is pronounced from the top part of the tip of the tongue and the gum lines of the top two incisors. So that's the we have the tip, and this is the top part of the tip of the tongue, and then we have the gum lines of the top two incisors. That's the gum line of the top two incisors, top side of the tip of the tongue and the gum line of the top two incisors. So let me go to the 3D model and explain it further there. Okay, so let's see. So if you see here, so this is the tip of the tongue, okay, and we will be using the top side of the tip of the tongue, the top side of the tip of the tongue, and we will be using the gum line of the top two incisors. So this is incisor 1, incisor 2, and these are the the gum lines of the top two incisors. Okay.